This might be the most elevated handbag I've unboxed all year. Today I'm unboxing something so special, a gorgeous handbag from a quiet luxury designer handbag brand, Ateliers Auguste, or Ateliers Auguste. Ateliers Auguste is what I'm gonna go with here. If you've never heard of Ateliers Auguste, it's a Parisian label that is all about refined luxury. They're actually located in Le Marais, which is an area of Paris that my husband and I actually love to stay in. It's kind of known for being centrally located, having a lot of great cafes, and great shopping as well. Each piece is designed in Paris, and they're made in Italy using high quality materials like full grain leathers and gold plated hardware with craftsmanship that you can just feel the moment that you touch it. Their aesthetic is just really understated and very French. Think clean lines, architectural design, and pieces that don't like scream for attention, but they still totally make a statement. Okay, moment of truth. Let's unbox her. The inside of the box is so cute. It says "From Paris with love." And there's the bag. Oh, they sent me a note. Bonjour, Jessica. We're so excited to offer you this beautiful bag. It's designed here in our studio in Paris and made by skilled craft workers in Italy. Thank you so much for your support. It means a lot to us. We can't wait to see you style it. Sending you a lot of love from Paris. Carola from Ateliers Auguste. Now, I just want to say before we take this beautiful bag out, this video was in no way sponsored, but Ateliers Auguste did send me a bag of my choice, but they did not ask me to make this video. I just thought that it might be really helpful for anyone out there who might be interested in this brand. With that being said, here she is. Now it comes in this gorgeous like cotton canvasy dust bag to keep your beautiful bag safe. Oh, they've got it wrapped in some nice plastic wrap to make sure that it makes the journey to you safely, and voila! Okay, how beautiful is this bag? Ah, just looking at it, I am already obsessed. This is the Marley Gold Edition. Just for clarity, this is the regular size Marley. They also have the mini Marley. So I went for the bigger of the two sizes just because I've been looking for a bag that maybe would go with like most of my outfits when we go to Europe in a couple months, that would have enough room for me to carry like my everyday essentials, as well as room to carry my various little bits and bobs of camera gear that I like to carry with me when we're out during the day, sightseeing, and I'm filming for my travel vlogs, which some of you may enjoy. So this seemed like it was gonna be the perfect shape for that, but the mini size also looked so cute as well. So I'm just gonna, how does this clasp work? Oh, I see. So the clasp, which is stunning by the way, this is gold plated, which apparently a lot of designer brands don't even gold plate their hardware anymore. Chanel apparently doesn't anymore. This is a very luxurious sort of feature for a bag to have the hardware be gold plated. But for this clasp, you basically push it up and then it releases it. Very cool. I believe on the mini Marley, it's a magnetic closure. So when you open it up, you can see the gold embossing underneath the flap for Ateliers Auguste. It says Le Marais in Paris. And then immediately you can see that the bag also has a zipper function there. So not only do you have the flap with the clasp, you also have a zipper. I probably won't be zipping this bag shut a whole lot, but the reason why I like this, especially for the purpose that I got this bag for, was when you are, traveling around in any big city in the world, but a lot of times some bigger European cities, you have to really be careful about your bag and make sure that it is a secured bag that has closures and zippers, because pickpockets are definitely a thing that you want to protect yourself against. So I really liked that this bag also had a zipper so that I can know that all of my valuables are more secure while we're out and about. Oh my gosh, the inside of this is gorgeous. So on the inside, it is fully lined with a really nice soft suede. There's a pocket on the one side that is embossed with the Ateliers Auguste logo, which is really cool. It's a nice big roomy pocket. There's a piece of paper in there. The care and maintenance instructions. And then on the opposite side of the bag, you have the hardware that is attaching the clasp to the outside of the bag. And I love the detail that you can see even on the inside of the bag there. It has the two A's. I just think straight off the bat, all the details that go into this bag are absolutely stunning. It also comes with a detachable, adjustable crossbody strap that you can attach to the top handle of the bag in order to carry it crossbody or on your shoulder if you wish. This is another feature that I really loved, especially for our travel, because a lot of times when I'm out traveling and sightseeing, I don't really want to have a, top handle bag. I want to be able to throw something crossbody, especially for the security of people pickpocketing or trying to grab your bag. It is always a good idea to have something crossbody because it's harder for someone to just run by you and grab your bag off your shoulder that way. Just looking at this bag, it's so pretty. It feels like serious luxury. I just love all the clean lines of the bag. It's very architectural. It has a nice shape. This bag is handmade in Italy and it's made from premium Italian calf leather. It is also water resistant leather. Another great feature that makes it, in my mind, a fabulous, very chic bag to take with you when you're traveling, because whether or not it's sunny or it's raining, you don't have to be super concerned if you get a couple little rain droplets on your bag when you're running between museums or cafes or different places that you're out and about trying to see. As for its dimensions, it stands 8.5 inches high, 13 inches wide, and it has a depth of 4.5 inches. So definitely a really great sized bag. Just to give you an idea of how it looks worn on the shoulder strap, I am 5'7", so I did adjust it up one notch from like the default setting, and I think this hits perfectly, but there are 2 more hole settings that you could adjust up to if you are a more petite or shorter person. If I put it crossbody, it hits maybe a little bit high, but honestly, I don't know, actually this is a great place for it to hit. So hits perfect for me, and I think with the frame, like my body frame and my height, the size works really well. It doesn't feel like it's too big. Again, if you are a little bit more of a petite person, maybe the mini Marley is the better option for you because it is a little bit smaller in dimension, so it just might look a little bit better proportion wise with a smaller framed person. But for me and my height, it works super well. The top handle fits so easily through my arm. It's comfortable. And I think either way of wearing this bag, it looks fantastic. And I love just the fact that you have the option for both. I'm looking at all the stitching around the seams. It looks amazing. There's no imperfections there. I also really love that this bag has 4 metal feet on the bag, which helps when you're setting it down, keeping the bottom from getting scratched, and also just protecting the bottom of the bag from, any tabletops or things that might be less than clean. I mean, the attention to detail as well, like if you can see in the bottom of the feet, they've even done like this tiny embossing in Ateliers Auguste, which is beautiful. You can see it also in the hardware that holds the top handle. It's very, very small and fine, but the branding is right there as well. And of course, it's also present on the front clasp. Any bag that you see on Ateliers Auguste's website that says gold edition is going to have this beautiful gold plated hardware. The gold on this just makes it really pop in a very quiet luxury way. It has just like that perfect gold tone. Sometimes when you get a bag and the gold is just a little bit too yellow looking and it looks not great, this is not like that. It has just the right amount of like shine to it and the perfect gold tone, in my opinion. Just the perfect touch of luxe without being over the top. Compared to the mini Marley, the regular size, I think, just gives you so much space. It's really structured enough that you could wear it with more dressy, put together looks, but also definitely relaxed enough for everyday wear. I think it truly is a very versatile bag in that way. This is the kind of bag that you could wear to a meeting, to a date, or just while running errands and feeling like that girl. Let's see what all I can fit inside this bag. I'm gonna pop it open. I've got my huge wallet, which I don't really even carry this ever. Usually it's just like busting full with so many different cards and cash and different things. But just to show you all who might carry a wallet like this, my passport, my car keys, as well as the wallet that I do carry every day. Got some various makeup, a powder, concealer, and my current lip combo, which is probably what I would most realistically be carrying with me. A sunglass case. And for good measure, because I'm a content creator, my little DJI mic pack, which I probably would be carrying with me when I'm traveling. You can see it is definitely a little bit more on the full side, but we've got room to spare in there. I'm gonna zip it up and clasp the bag, and voila. So this can definitely fit a lot. I'm so excited to use this more and style it with so many outfits. I think the color of it is going to just go with everything. It also comes in a black, a deeper tannish brown color, and an off-white cream color. But this taupe, I really do believe, is seasonless and will go with literally anything in your wardrobe. And that's why I chose it, because especially when you're traveling, you want to pack less things, at least that's the idea, but have them be versatile to work with a lot of different things. And so that's why I really thought this was going to be a great bag. So make sure to subscribe, because I will be taking this with me on our upcoming 2-week European trip in a couple months. So I could always do a follow-up video after our trip with my thoughts on like putting it to the test that way. If you've ever bought a bag from this brand, I would love to hear in the comments what your thoughts on Ateliers Auguste are. And of course, if you're interested in shopping this bag, you can check down in the description box and I'll have the link for this exact style as well as their website down there for you. Big thanks again to Ateliers Auguste for this stunning bag. I'm so excited to use it. If you are a handbag person and you want to learn more about the current top handbag trends going on this year, you definitely want to check this video out next. I know you're going to love it. Subscribe if you're not already, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you all over here, and if not, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.